Hi guys, Multi2123 here. Today we're talking about the Leatherman Mutt. It's a high, good quality Leatherman tool. Removable wire cutters, carbon built-up scraper, C for a punch, threaded clip-point blade, wood saw. It's also a military-graded tool as a wire cutter, as also a bottle opener, and lanyard holder. It has a hammer punch and a buckle. Hi guys, today we're talking about the Leatherman Juice S2 in orange. It has very good scissors, high quality blade, has a small Phillips screwdriver. It also has a can opener / bottle opener. It has three screwdrivers. It has a wire cutter, as you can see right there. It has small pliers, and it has a needle plier. This is one of the most popular Leatherman tools out there. Thank you. Hi, Multi2123 here. Today we're talking about the Leatherman Super Tool 300. It's all stainless steel parts. It has a wood saw, flathead, can opener / bottle opener. It has a long Phillips screwdriver. It has a serrated blade, also known as sheep's foot. It also has removable wire cutters. If it breaks anything, it could also be replaced. It has strong needle pliers. Now on this side, it has a reamer for making holes in leather or wood or sewing. It has a small flathead / bigger flathead. You can also use it as a tar bar. It has a 3-point long blade, and it also has a metal saw that you can use, and it has a diamond file. Wood file. Hi guys, today we're talking about the Leatherman Surge. It's all stainless steel. It has a very long clip-point blade. It has a removable metal saw that you switch in with the wood saw right here. It also has very good high quality scissors. And it also has a serrated blade, which you can see right here. Very long serrated blade. It doesn't have removable wire cutters. It has high quality pliers. It also has a flathead screwdriver that you can use as a little pry bar. And it also has a removable Phillips and flathead. It also has a hole punch reamer. It has a removable wire bit and a can opener / wire stripper. Hi guys, today we're talking about the Leatherman Wave, which is personally my favorite tool. It has Leatherman / metal file / a clip point blade. It has scissors. It's got a little bit rusted. It has a small / Phillips screwdriver, flathead. It has wood saw blade. It also has a serrated blade. They are locked into place. It has non-removable wire cutters, and it also has needle / pliers, and they're all stainless. Hi, Multi2123 here. Now we're going to show you the blade comparisons from different Leatherman and for next tools. On the left we have the Leatherman Surge blade. Next we have the Leatherman Mutt multi-tool